Welcome to this session on SEO strategy and planning. Before beginning any strategy, it is important that you look into crucial aspects such as setting clear and achievable goals for your SEO campaigns. These goals will guide you and will help your strategy as well as help you measure success. Common SEO goals will include to increase website traffic, to improve search engine rankings, to boost conversions, that is from sales or sign up as the case may be, to enhance online visibility and brand awareness, to increase organic search traffic. So with all of these goals set, you can decide to work with one goal or as the case may be, two or more. It's important that you set goals that are smart, and smart goals must be specific. That is, you must clearly define what you want to achieve. They must be measurable. That is, you can track progress and measure the outcome of your goals. Then they must be achievable. Therefore, it is important that you set realistic goals that are attainable, right? Because you want your goals to be achievable. They must be relevant. The goals must align with your business objectives. They must also be time-bound. That is, you have to set a deadline to achieve your goals. When you've successfully done these, when you outline your goals and set them using the SMART method, that is, the goals must be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. The next thing you will need to do is to research keywords, okay? And keyword research is the cornerstone of any successful SEO campaign. It involves identifying the terms and phrases that your target audience uses when searching for products or services similar to yours. The importance of keyword research include it will help you understand the language of your audience, right? Secondly, to identify opportunities to drive targeted traffic. Thirdly, to gain insight into your competition. When you effectively carry out keyword research, you will be able to understand the language. What is your audience saying? What are they searching for? What is the term that makes meaning to them based on or in relation to your product? It will also help you to understand how others driving traffic, which goes into your competition, how competitive the market is, and how favorable you can perform within the competition. Then let's look at some popular keyword research tools that you could use for your keyword research. Number one will be Google Keyword Planner. Google Keyword Planner is a free tool by Google for discovering new keywords and getting search volume data. The second is SEMrush. SEMrush is a comprehensive tool for keyword research, competitor analysis, and more. So the third is Hrefs. Hrefs is a powerful tool for keyword research, backlink analysis, and competitive insights. Then we have the Moz Keyword Explorer. Then we have the Moz Keyword Explorer. It is used for keyword suggestions, search volumes, and difficult scores. The last but not the least on this list is Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest is a free tool for keyword ideas, search volume, and competition analysis. So we could use any of these two to perform our keyword research. And we are going to be seeing shortly the process or the step-by-step process for keyword research. All right. So the first process in the keyword research process is brainstorming seed keywords. To brainstorm seed keywords, you need to start with broad terms relating to your business, product, or services. You will use your own knowledge, team inputs, and customer feedback to create an initial list. Let's look at this example. If you own a bakery, your seed keyword might include bread, or pastries, or cakes, or gluten-free, or even baking classes, as the case may be. Each of these could be your seed keyword. All right. So the next, which is the second step, will be to expand your keyword list. And to expand your keyword list, you will use keyword research tools, such as the ones we've discussed earlier, to find related keywords, synonyms, and long-tail keywords. So the idea is to look for keywords with different levels of specificity, that is short tail versus long tail. Let's look at this example. Using Google Keyword Planner, for instance, enter cakes as a seed keyword. You might discover related keywords such as wedding cakes, birthday cakes, custom cakes, and cake delivery, as the case may be. So now you have seen that it is possible for you to expand your seed word. Okay. So the third will be to analyze keyword metrics. To analyze keyword metrics, you need to evaluate the potential keyword by looking at important metrics such as volume, competition, and keyword difficulty, as well as cost per click. Okay. In this example, we are taking wedding cakes. So wedding cakes, as the key phrase here, might have a high search volume, but also high competition and keyword difficulty. Whereas custom vegan cakes might have a moderate search volume, but lower competition, making it a valuable keyword. Okay? This is simply stating that if we use wedding cakes, we know the volume will be high. There are lots of people using wedding cakes. There are a lot of search on wedding cakes, so the competition is high, the keyword difficulty is high, the search volume is high. So our performance will definitely be low. So, but if we use custom vegan cakes in place of wedding cakes, definitely that keyword will have moderate search volume, but a lower competition. So it make it a plus for us. So the fourth is prioritize keywords. To prioritize keywords, we need to focus on a mix of high volume and low competition keywords. We need to target long tail keywords for easier ranking opportunities, as well as align keywords with your goals and content strategy. So, for instance, high volume, high competition will mean birthday cakes, right? For a moderate volume and low competition, we can have a keyword as custom vegan cake. So definitely, we need to ensure that we can actually use a mix, right? We can use a mix of high volume and low competition. So definitely, we can use a mix of birthday cakes and custom vegan cakes. We have the long tail keywords where we indicate the area, right? For instance, we can say gluten-free birthday cake delivery in Abuja. The fifth will be developing content with keywords. So create high quality content that naturally incorporates your prioritized keywords. And when we are doing this, ensure the content addresses the needs and queries of your target audience. For example, we will have to write a blog post titled Top 10 Custom Birthday Cakes Ideas or Top 10 Custom Birthday Cake Ideas. And we will include keywords like custom birthday cakes. Realize that the keyword custom birthday cake is in our title And we will also include keywords, unique birthday cake designs. Okay. So we will then create a landing page for wedding cake design that showcases your portfolio using keywords like wedding cakes, custom wedding cakes, and luxury wedding cakes. The sixth will be now to monitor and adjust your keyword strategy. It's imperative that you regularly track your performance and make necessary adjustments based on the results from your keyword performance. Use tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to monitor organic traffic and keyword ranking. For example, after a month, you notice that your blog post on top 10 custom birthday cake ideas is driving significant traffic, but has a high bounce rate. You might decide to update the content now to make it more engaging or add more detailed information to retain visitors. So the reason why you're having high bounce rates is because your title is engaging, is attracting open rate. So when people, and click rate rather, when your audience click, they find the post not satisfying, and that is why you are having a high bounce rate. So what you need to do now is not to work on your keyword or your keyword strategy, is actually to work on your content, okay? To ensure your content is more engaging and satisfying to your audience. Okay, so now we have looked at the 6 steps. Let's see how we can develop an effective SEO strategy. The first will be content creation. We have to now, after developing our strategy, we have to create content that are high quality and relevant. Okay, your content must be relevant and address the needs of your target audience. You have to incorporate your target keywords naturally into your content. That is, must be present in your titles, must be present in your headers, your body text, as well as your meta descriptions. This will make search engine performance enhance and make sure you have the output or outcome that you've worked for. Then the on-page SEO. It's imperative that you optimize your title tags, meta description headers, and URLs with target keywords. Ensure your website is mobile friendly and has fast loading times. Also, improve your user experience with clear navigation and a clean layout. This is if you are on-page SEO is basically targeted at you creating your website to make it easily accessible and easily searchable when your audience search keywords that pertain to your business, product, or services. Then the off-page SEO. Build high-quality backlinks from reputable websites. We have previously talked about what backlinks are and how to build backlinks from reputable websites. It actually brings quality to your content and allows your content to pop up when similar keywords are searched for. Engage in social media marketing to drive traffic and build brand awareness. Ensure that your content is marketed via social media to ensure that your audience or segmented audience can actually utilize your content so you build brand awareness. Because we have talked about the paid advertisement and content utilization, as well as organic strategies to ensure your audience can actually consume your content. Then participate in guest blogging and influencer collaborations. We've previously talked about the importance of guest blogging and influencer collaboration. This is to ensure that you add more spread to your content. Then on technical SEO, ensure that your website is crawlable and indexable by search engine. If your website is not indexed, you won't appear on search. Okay? So ensure that your website is scrollable and indexable by search engines. Use structured data such as schema markups to enhance search engine understanding of your content. Regularly audit your websites for technical issues and fix any errors. So now let's see how we can quickly monitor and adjust SEO strategy to enhance our results. SEO is an ongoing process, right? It's a strategy you work on, evaluate, reevaluate, and amend, right? So it is important that you regularly monitor your progress and adjust your strategy as needed. The key metrics to track is organic traffic, right? Then you track your keyword rankings, your conversion rates, bounce rates, and backlinks profiles. Organic traffic simply means those visitors that come to your website from unpaid sources. We could call it, say, kind of free traffic. And such sources will include search engines like Google, Bing, or Yahoo. Okay? While keyword ranking is a website's organic ranking position in the search result for a particular keyword. All right? While conversion rates records the percentage of users who have completed a desired action, depending on what you set for your conversion or as your conversion. Bounce rate, on the other hand, talks about the percentage of visitors to your website who navigate away from visiting the site after viewing only one page. A rising bounce rate is a sign that your page or blog is boring or, let's say, off-putting. And lastly, backlink profile is the quantity, anchor, and quality of links pointing to your website.